That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Our new rims have came, finally. It's Friday, like 3 o'clock. Hoping they fit. Let me go ahead and unbox them and show you what kind of rims I got. Tell you everything about them and why I chose them and why I might have to buy some spacers. They're pretty light. So there's one. These things are beautiful. They're pretty light too. Wow, check that out. Wow, that is so beautiful. Wow. I hope they fit. I really hope they fit. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to spend more money on spacers. Let me go ahead and jack up the car and we'll test fit him. This is the really nerve-wracking part. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, yeah, that should be plenty of space here in the front. Would you check that out, guys? That looks insane. Tires do exceed the lip a little bit. We might have enough space though, I'm not sure. That actually might be the perfect offset. For any people out there watching, I am a noob when it comes to this stuff, but you live, you learn. I really do love how these wheels look, and I really don't care what other people think. We have about an inch right there, maybe half an inch for the tires to sit. Now, did I order the right lug nuts? I think I did. That's about half an inch right there. The tire will probably sit, I have no idea where the tire will sit, and probably about 3/4 of an inch here. I just cannot get over the rims, man. I know that wheel gap is kind of insane, but I got some things coming in the future. Now I think I'm convinced that they might clear. I hope they clear. Alright guys, we are all loaded up. I'm really happy. That just looks like a lot of stuff going on. So, is this scratches? No? Nope, never mind. And with the magic of editing, we'll be right at the shop. And alright, we are here. Go check out Good To Go Tires, a short drive for a better deal. Good To Go is the place if you're here on Rossville Boulevard in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They do alignment, sell tires, they mount them, balance them, and here's a little tour of their office. Total price for this was $39 for a full balance of 4 tires, putting them on the rims. So I think that's a pretty good price. So definitely check out Good To Go Tires. There's the phone number. We are here at Walmart. Got some detailing stuff, some oil, some rags and stuff. About to detail this car. Alright guys, we have finally cleaned this car. It is my car's first wash since the new paint job, and this thing looks amazing. I put the XXR hubcaps on the rims and they just look absolutely fantastic. Obviously I'm probably gonna have to lower it in the future, space it out. There's the rear. I wasn't able to get that fog light, that third fog light, but it's no big deal. So overall guys, I think I am really impressed with how the wheels turn out, how the car looks. I think it looks amazing. My car has never looked this good before. Really thankful for everything, and that I'm here right now with some really expensive rims on my car, some pretty expensive tires, pretty expensive paint job. So yeah, I'm very happy guys. Thank you so much for watching. And before I end the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some awesome clips, awesome footage of the car. And yeah. Okay guys, so I know in the video it seemed like I was worried a lot about the clearance issues. Fortunately enough, everything is good, everything checks out. Plenty of clearance left. I probably don't even have to order spacers, but I'll probably do so in the future. And now that we got totally new wheels, we need some we need to paint those calipers and install some slotted drill disc brakes to match the wheels. I love it. It's not perfect, but it's not all about perfection. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. I have to end this video right here. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. I already said that.